All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So, irritate. Ugh. Irritate. To annoy. Oof. To annoy. Let's try and get a picture here. To annoy. To annoy. There we are. Oh, to annoy. Yes. Doing that irritates her. Let's change that. Yeah. I like to irritate her. It is fun. That noise irritates me. That noise irritates me. Ooh. He thinks she is irritating. She does not think he is irritating. Yeah, annoying. Ooh, yeah, yeah. So they aren't irritating. They aren't irritating. They are very smart and interesting. What they say is very powerful. Not annoying, not irritating. Very interesting, so keep listening. If it was irritating, then I would stop doing it. If that was irritating, then I wouldn't do it. It is not irritating, so I will do it. It is not, so then I will do it. Yeah. How cool is that? Did that irritate you? Do you think it could irritate you? Yeah, maybe, depending on how strange it is. Strange. Only certain kinds of music irritates me. Otherwise, I am calm. How cool is that? That used to irritate me, but not anymore. It used to be irritating when I was younger, but not anymore. Not anymore. Yeah. Watching this is irritating her. Watching that was irritating us. This is irritating us. This is irritating me. Irritating me. I am going to stop it. Stop it. That is irritating me. I'm going to stop it. Yeah. Sometime in the future, that will irritate them all. So I think that song will irritate them if they listen to it too many times. If it happens, then it will irritate the other teams. Yeah, in the competition. Yeah. Yeah. Winning too many times will irritate them. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. Irritate. Ooh. And be annoyed. Ooh. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use irritate in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching for English with Adrian, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.